Good morning, all of you. Dear student, last online lecture we discussed about mountains and valley. So today we discuss about chapter number 3, landform and water bodies. So dear student, you already learned what is meaning by landform and what is meaning by water bodies. There's some important point on this topic. So today we discuss new point, plateaus. Plateau means pathar. India is a great example of peninsular plateau. So my dear student, we already learned in last year what is meaning by peninsula. Tell me the answer of peninsula. Peninsula means a piece of land surrounded by three side water bodies and one side land. It is called as peninsula. So India is a great example of peninsular plateau. Look at the picture of India, the physical pictures of India. There are three sides water bodies. One side Arabian Sea, one side Bay of Bengal, and one side Indian Ocean. These three sides continuously water body, and one side, the northern sides of India, there is a huge landmass, big mountain range. These mountain range is called the Himalaya mountain range. So today we discuss plateaus. A plateau is an elevated area which is relatively level on the top with sloping side. It is also called a tableland. Plateau means पठार. ज़्यादा बड़ा पर्वत जैसा हाइटेड भी मतलब ऊंचाई नहीं रहती और प्लेन जैसा ज़्यादा सरफेस भी नहीं रहता. The middle range. A plateau is an elevated area which is relatively level on the top. Top level, it is relatively flat, and another side is gentle slope available. Plateau is also called the plateaux. The high plain or a tableland is an area of highland, usually consisting of relatively flat terrain that is rise significantly above the surrounding area, often with one or more sides with deep hills. Plateaus can be formed by a number of processes, including upwelling of volcanic magma, the extrusions of lava, and erosion by water and glaciers. Plateaus are classified according to their surrounding environment as the intermention, the pediment, or the continental. A few plateaus may have a small flat top while others have wide ones. The geomorphological structures of plateaus, the formations of plateaus, there are number of processes. So my dear student, volcano, ज्वालामुखी, lava, magma, erosional process and weathering process. Some areas are glaciers, barf वृष्टि. These are all the natural features is a important source of information development of plateaus. We discuss in India, the example of India. India is our country, and there is a three small plateaus are located. Malwa Plateau located in north side. Then Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is located in Maharashtra. There is a Patsgani tableland, is a very famous tableland located in this Deccan Plateau. And overall Maharashtra, our Manmad city, there are surrounding area, Ankai Fort, Thames Mountain, Satpura mountain ranges. these over all the small hills and mountain range located in the Deccan Plateau. India's there is a three plateau. Number one, Malwa Plateau. Number two, Deccan Plateau. And number three, Chota Nagpur Plateau. These three plateaus located in the southern and the middle part of India. Understood everyone? The Deccan Plateau is located in the southern part of India. Plateaus are important because of the following reasons. The Deccan Plateau located in the southern part of India. Some parts of Karnataka, some parts of Tamil Nadu, some parts of Andhra Pradesh, and the most and major part of Maharashtra. The Deccan Plateau, the exact locations of southern part of India. And over all the plateaus are important. जैसे कि हमने पिछले तासिका में देखा, माउंटेन पर्वत का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. The importance of mountains, source of fresh water, they act a natural barrier, they have a major impact upon the climatic condition. These are the importance of mountain. But what is the exact reason behind that? The importance of plateaus. ये पठार हमारे लिए क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है? The importance of plateaus. Point number one, the higher part of the plateaus have a cool climate. The higher part of the plateaus are very cool and pleasant climate. Example, Patsgani Tableland, Mahabaleshwar Plateau and near the surrounding area Patsgani Tableland located in Maharashtra, Satara district. These areas are very pleasant and cool climate. In summer season, most of the tourist people visit in Patsgani Tableland and Mahabaleshwar, the surrounding plateaus area. This is the importance of plateaus. The overall the climatic part, the higher part of these plateaus is very cool and pleasant climate. There are number of picnic spots located in Maharashtra in Deccan Plateau. For example, Gujarat, Saputara is a very good picnic spot, hill station. Saputara is a plateau region. And Harishchandra Fort located in Ahmednagar district. These are the one more great examples of plateau region. But Mahabaleshwar and Patsgani Tableland is a famous resort and famous hill station in the world. Lonavala, one of the example. Lonavala is a plateau region located near Pune district, is a very great example. So, importance of plateau, the higher part of this plateau is a very cool climate. Number two, plateaus are rich in minerals. What is meaning by minerals? You already learned in science. Minerals are very important in overall the development of nation and the importance of the planetary development of overall the world. Aluminium, bauxite, iron, natural gas, natural oil, these are the examples of minerals. So plateaus are rich in minerals. The underground area of the plateau regions, there are number of minerals available. For example, Maharashtra, the basalt soil, the basalt rock and the igneous rock, these two important rocks, the erosional process, development of red soil. These red soil available in Konkan region, Ratnagiri, Raigad, Sindhudurg, Satara, Kolhapur and Pune districts. These areas are rich in minerals, aluminium and bauxite. These minerals, the lot of quality and the quantity available in undergrounds of this plateau area. Understood everyone? Next point, plateaus are suitable for agriculture and animal rearing. Agriculture. Indian economy depend on agriculture. There are 70% people work in agriculture sector. After the independence 1960, there are population is very less in India, but there is a very food problem in overall the India. At that time, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan research and the development of overall agriculture in India, it is called as Green Revolution, Harita Kranti. After the Green Revolution, nowadays India's population 135 crore, approximately 135 crore population, and day by day population is rapidly increase. But today's India is independent in food and the food material because of the development of agriculture. Green Revolution, the farmers use of the modern techniques, for example hybrid seeds, use of the chemicals, fertilizers and pesticide, irrigation facility is much more developed. There are number of tanks, use of the wells, tube wells, sprinkler, drip irrigation systems are available. So plateaus are suitable for the agriculture condition. So the Indian overall agriculture depend on monsoon, and the plateau area there are most of the resources of river. For example, Deccan Plateau, there are very famous and important river in Deccan Plateau, Godavari River. Almost most of the farmer and agriculture area depend on this Godavari river bank. So agriculture and animal rearing, animal, cows and buffaloes and goat and sheep, that particular meat and milk production animal located in the surrounding area. These surrounding animal depend on the plateau areas, and these plateau areas animal rearing is a most important business. Some important farmers, those farmers are suitable for this animal rearing business. The development of sheep, goat, cows and buffaloes, these animals are most of the useful animal in depend on the agriculture sector. So my dear student, today we learn the plateaus, the what is meaning by plateaus and the importance of plateaus and the examples of India and their plateau region and importance of plateau. There are three importance of plateaus. Number one, the higher part is very cool, and this higher part is depend on the tourism business, tourism activity. Number two, plateaus are rich in minerals are very important. So the overall the surrounding underground areas of plateau region, there are number of rich mineral. And last three number point, importance of plateaus, agriculture and animal rearing. Agriculture sector is depend on this or all the plateau region. So my dear student, remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next online lecture. So take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.